Hello YouTube! So today I am going to be filming my first tag video! Yay! My friend Christina tagged me in her new tag that she created, the Inside Out tag, which if you can't guess what that means, it is to pick your favorite book that made you either happy, sad, angry, disgusted, or scared. And just, explain a little bit about it. So I guess let's start off. First for joy, I have The Night Circus by Erin Morgenstern. It is a delightful book. There are sad parts, but it's beautifully written. It's so descriptive of all these fantastical things, and it really makes you feel like you are in this magical place that just can't exist. It's really good at kind of transporting you to the circus, and it's amazing. If you haven't read it, don't read any reviews, don't get spoiled. It is better to go into knowing absolutely nothing. It's a great book. You should all read it. I'm listening to the audiobook because reading it once was not enough. Also, I recommend reading it rather than listening to it. The audiobook's good, but the book was just, it was amazing. Anyways, let's move on. So next we have Anger, and this book didn't make me angry so much as disappoint me, but it was the best one I could come up with. So we have The Maze Runner by James Dashner. I feel like that's probably going to be kind of an unpopular choice, just because everybody really loves this book right now. You've got the movie series and stuff, but the one female character in this book, I'm fine with there only being one girl. That was a huge plot point, whatever. But the one female character in this book never says a word to anyone besides the main character. She comes up with all these brilliant ideas that would save their lives and stuff. And she's like, you know what? I better wait until that main character gets out of prison so I can tell him my brilliant idea and he can tell everyone else. And number one, it just made absolutely no sense to me that she wouldn't just try talking to anybody else. And number two, it's just really, good job on your strong female character, buddy. I don't know. It really annoyed me. The movie, I think, was a teensy bit better, just because it didn't feel like explaining the weird telepathy crap that they had going. I don't know. It was disappointing, and it kind of made me angry, if you couldn't tell. Anyways, moving on. So, next we have Disgust, and this book was the first one that popped into my mind. I knew exactly what I was going to do for the Disgust book, and that is The Merciless by Danielle Vega. This book and I, well, I was gonna say this book and I have a love-hate relationship, but we don't. I just hated it. It was so bad. Christine and I read this together for Booktubeathon last year, and we were so excited because a horror book, it looked really good. It's hot pink. I was really excited for this book, but it fell really flat. The only thing this book had going for it were the long, drawn-out torture scenes to make it scary, and that's not the kind of scary I like. I'd rather have a jump scare with a ghost or something than someone's fingernails getting ripped off. Ew. That's where the disgust comes from. But also, I thought the ending was really lackluster, and I guessed the plot twist probably about halfway through, maybe less than that. I was like, she's not gonna do that, right? That can't be how this book ends. That would be terrible. And then that's how the book ends. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so next we have Sadness, and I feel like this is probably kind of a silly choice for this, but it's true. Hunger Games Mockingjay. I think I started crying about halfway through this book and just didn't stop until the end. And I know that, some people think that it wasn't the best written and it wasn't as good as the other two or whatever, but just the way that she wrote some of the characters, deaths, was just so sad and heart-wrenching, and there were several where I had to be wait, there's no way that character just died. I have to go back and read that page all over again, and through my tears, because I knew that they were dead and I was just in denial. So it was really sad. It made me cry a lot, an embarrassing amount, but it was really good. I love this trilogy. I think it's great. I seriously cannot wait for the next part of the movie to come out, although they left no happy things except for, spoilers, Annie and Finnick's wedding. That's the only happy thing left, and that movie's just gonna be a terrible sob fest, but I'm looking forward to it. So last but not least, we have Fear. And the book that scared me the most, I don't get scared easily by books. I don't know. I don't read a lot of horror books because I can't find a lot that I want to read. I would have to say Horror Store. It was creepy and exciting and fast-paced, and I really, really liked it a lot, and it scared the bejesus out of me a couple times. I had to like put it down and stop reading and like give my heart a rest. So it was really good. I don't have a physical copy with me. I don't know where it is, but I would totally suggest reading it. I'll put a picture here. I can't remember who wrote it either. I'm sorry. I'll make a note of it in the description. I'm really bad about saying names, apparently. I'm trying to work on it. Anyways, that is it for this tag. Just a quick note before I go. First of all, new background. Isn't that lovely? I love it. I'm so excited. And second of all, oh my god, I'm going to VidCon in 2 days? 2.5 days? Something like that. It is so close and I'm so excited. Oh my god, I will see all of you there. Some of you there, I hope, maybe. I'll be at the book swap that Christina's doing, / I'm also a host of it, but I'm not doing anything for it. She's great. She handles everything. Anyways, I will hope to see some of you guys there. I can't wait to meet you, and I gotta go now so I can edit this and put it up so that it's still 2 days away from VidCon when it gets on the internet. Also, I don't really know that many booktubers besides Mallory and Christina, so I'm not really sure who to tag, but I do know Abby Zinger and the Brie May, so I'm gonna tag you guys, and hopefully you do this and haven't already been tagged. I don't know, I'm new to tag videos. Is this good? Is this how you're supposed to do it? I don't know. Anyways, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, and I will have a new video up soon. Bye!